This is a quick demo of a Deep2Lead application. This application serves as a assistant or accelerator for clinical research. So the researchers who are trying to develop a efficient drug from an existing drug due to maybe various virus mutations like COVID-19 during the time, the COVID-19 virus was being mutated again and again. So various pharmaceutical companies, they need to adjust the molecular structure. So this application was inspired by that event, and basically what it helps researcher or during the clinical trials is that it can help you to create an efficient drug from an existing drug to target the new molecule. So here you can give the amino acid sequence, which is basically represents the virus, and then you can provide an existing drug, which is basically represented digitally as a smile string. Or you can, it also helps using molecule designer to create a new drug. So we already have generated a couple of drugs. So I'll first click on the browse button and just show something. So we already, this application helps researchers actually to store the existing drug and or store the actually the new molecules or the drug created by this platform, so they can revisit and check. We created a lot of drugs in the past, so I'll take one of them as an example. For example, this is a current drug. So if you can copy its smile string quickly, and then you can paste it here. And when you molecule design, you can even change that. Actually, it's supposed to show that drug. We will enhance that in the future, but you can create anything like that, and you can take an amino acid sequence which is represented by this big string. So you can paste that here, and then we can say, hey, given this disease and given this existing drug, create some nearby molecules or small molecules. So I can, and this is some parameters you need to try, and this is related to the machine learning. So we can have say try 10 times or 20 times, and then the noise is, I will add some noise. Let's say noise is 3. So then we hit a generate button, and this is where ML comes into picture. It basically goes and creates a nearby drugs, and then it is integrated with another API called Deep Purpose, developed by researcher from Stanford and some other researchers from Georgia Tech, and they have there are a lot of people out there. There's a paper called Deep Purpose. It's a very nice paper. So we integrated with that API to determine the efficacy of the binding affinity and the admit property of the newly created drug, so that researchers can see and find which one is good. And this is going to help them in their clinical study. So you can check that, these are the 10 has been created, various binding properties are there. And so this is, and you can click on one of them and you can see their smile structure. So that's pretty much a small demo. Please explore more and go through our documentation to understand this better. Thank you.